All right, boys and girls, today in Handwriting Without Tears, we're going to be working on the uppercase I and the uppercase T.
T goes down, then we give to you top, give to you top, give to you top. T goes down, then we give to you top, a little line for the top of T. J goes down, turn, give J a top, give J a top, give J a top. J goes down, turn, give J a top, a little line for the top of J. I goes down, then we give I a top, top bottom two, top bottom two. I goes down, then we give it a top and a bottom for capital I. Let's make the letter T. Big line, little line. Now it's your turn.
Big line, little line.
Cool beans, capital T. You rock. Let's make the letter I. Big line, little line, little line. Now it's your turn.
Big line, little line, little line.
That's it, capital I. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom.
Big line down, all the way down. Big line across the top, a little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Straight line down, big line all the way down to that bottom line. Little line across the top, little line across the bottom.
Big line down, little line across the top.
Big line down, another nice straight line all the way down to that bottom line. And then, whoop, I gotta erase. I gotta start again. Nice straight line all the way down to that bottom line. And then a little line across the top. Nice straight line.
Our world.
All right, now it's your turn to do your Handwriting Without Tears. First, do your wet, try, dry on your iPad, I and T, and then take out your Handwriting Without Tears workbook. and work on the I and the T, making sure you're starting at the top. Nice straight lines. Make sure your desk ready, you're holding your pencil the correct way, and your helper hand is out. Have a good rest of the day.